Howdy, fans, friends, passersby. Why am I talking in a southern accent? I don't know. Well, you can't see. Here's my ears for today. Here we go. It's Reverend Elizabeth Mora. It is Monday, April 13th. Checking in with you. It's good to be back on Facebook again. I was on yesterday for the Easter service. If you didn't get a chance, hop on over or hop down a little bit on the Unity Northwest page. I'll get it posted over to YouTube hopefully sometime today after I do a little bit of editing. We had a really fantastic Easter service, especially about, let me think, probably about 40 minutes in. There's a song, Gethsemane, sung by Bruce Henry. Definitely check that one out. Today, I'm going to read our daily word, inner peace. My hope is for you that you're finding inner peace right now. It's always accessible to you. Let's have a reminder of that. I find peace as I look within to divine love. Things happen every day that can disturb the peace of my mind if I let them. Health concerns, my own or those of loved ones, concerns about the economy or my work environment, or stress from raising a willful child or caring for another family member. I rise above these stressful moments as I consciously connect with divine love that lives within me. Love is the power that lifts my spirit. Taking a few deep cleansing breaths. Let's do that now. Let's take another. And one more cleansing breath. I still my thoughts and let everything around me slip away. I am one with God, and in this oneness, I find a deep sense of peace. I let love wash over my soul. I have faith that I can overcome any obstacles and contribute to the well-being of others. And from Philippians, and the peace of God, which surpasses all understanding, will guard your hearts and your minds in Christ Jesus. Peace, inner peace of your soul. It's everything is heightened, I think, right now in this time, and that as well, that it's easy to pop onto the television or see a post on Facebook or just be sitting there thinking about everything that's happening with COVID and the economy and people dying and people struggling and life just not being what it used to be. If nothing else, life is not what it used to be for now. And that can definitely get to a person. And as I'm talking with people and connecting, I think that many of us are having days where it hits us and days where it doesn't. And I don't know where you are with that today. Today, for me, I'm feeling a little funky. It's nothing serious, just feeling a little off. So I took a little something, ibuprofen, and I'm sure I'll be feeling better. And that's okay. That's the thing. When I'm noticing when people are posting things online that they're, not doing so okay that day, just honestly sharing. Sometimes the rest of us want to freak out about that. And there's caring and then there's freaking out. And so, people just sharing where they're at. What I usually say to them is, I hear you. I've got some of that myself, and even when I've posted sometimes, like, guys, I'm fine. I'm just sharing what my human experience is here. People are like, are you okay? Reaching out, like, and on the one hand, I appreciate the caring. On the other hand, just let people be human for a while. We're human. And now if every day in a row someone's posting that or they're saying, I'm really down or I'm really depressed, absolutely. Reach out, let them know that you're there. And let's make room for everybody going through what they're going through right now. I mean, I haven't talked to almost a person who doesn't have a day that it weighs heavily on them. That's just natural. So I'm fine. You're fine. We're all fine. And when we're not, reach out. If something tells you really you got to check in, then do that. And I was really inspired this weekend by two things that I watched I want to share with you. Number one, I posted earlier, is Jesus Christ Superstar. Wanted to watch it because it was Easter, but also because I do love the musical. And it was a production I'd never seen before. No, it's not the John Legend one. That wasn't my favorite production. This one, however, I really liked. It's Andrew Lloyd Webber. It was a live production done in 2012 over in England. And so, believe it or not, one of the Spice Girls is in it. Mel C plays Mary Magdalene, and a couple of folks that I hadn't heard of, played the other roles. It's not free right now, but it's worth the whatever $3.99 you might spend. So if you're looking for something, I thought it was powerful. I was mesmerized the whole hour and a half, 2 hours. It was well worth the watch, if you ask me. So that's Jesus Christ Superstar. It was on the YouTube channel, The Show Must Go On. And every Friday, if you don't know about it, every Friday, Andrew Lloyd Webber is showing something for free for 2 days. So I'm looking forward to that. I'm making movie night Friday night to listen to Andrew Lloyd Webber. The other thing I watched last night with Arturo was Jojo Rabbit. I posted, I wasn't really sure I wanted to watch a Nazi movie, especially right now, and it was amazing. It was delightful. So if you at all are several other friends said me, I was the same way. Wasn't sure I really wanted to watch a Nazi movie. They're tough to watch at times. This one was so good. It just goes along the spectrum from funny to sad to deep to touching. So Jojo Rabbit from last year, if you're looking for a good watch. It took me a couple of months to be ready to watch it. And finally, every time Arturo got to pick the movie, he would say, Jojo Rabbit, Jojo Rabbit. I'm like, not this night, not tonight. So it took me so long to finally get there. And it was so good. So good. And now I'm going to switch over and I'm going to do a little music for you because I'm just so inspired by Jesus Christ Superstar that I just watched, like I said. So now I'm going to sing a little something. Now, there's an interpart, which I don't think the karaoke version has it very loud. So I may stop halfway or I may skip forward. We'll just see what happens because I'm not over planning things. That's new for me. It's also a song that it seems to me we could all use right now. So it seems really appropriate. Oh, wait, this isn't the one. This is the wrong track. Sorry. I had a better track. There we go.
There's an epidemic
I told you,
spreading.
really not
Scientists say it can
taking it all too seriously. There we go. Skip ad. Let's try it again. Try not to get worried, try not to turn on to problems that upset you. Don't you know everything's all right? Yes, everything's fine. And we want you to sleep well tonight. Let the world turn without you tonight. If we try, we'll get by. So forget all about us tonight. Sleep and I shall soothe you, calm you and anoint you, move for your hot forehead. Then you'll feel everything's alright, yes, everything's fine, and it's cool and the ointment's sweet. For the fire in your head and feet. Close your eyes, and relax, think of nothing tonight. Skipping ahead. Sleep and I shall soothe you, calm you and anoint you, move for your heart forehead. Then you'll feel everything's alright, yes, everything's fine, and it's cool and young and sweet. For the fire in your head and feet. Close your eyes, and relax, think of nothing tonight. Relax, think of nothing. Close your eyes, and relax, think of nothing. Close your eyes, and think of nothing tonight. Close your eyes, close your eyes, and relax, think of nothing. Close your eyes, relax, think of nothing. Close your eyes, relax, think of nothing. Close your eyes, close your eyes. Goes on forever and ever. Good morning, good afternoon. I love you all, Facebook. See you later.